So whether you're looking to work as a virtual assistant for an e-commerce business or meron kayong sariling e-commerce or online store or kayo ay nag-affiliate marketing or halimbawa, hindi pa kayo sure kung anong gusto nyo sanang gawin na pagkakitaan online and you're looking for something na medyo flexible kasi meron kayong anak or may corporate work kayo or you're just looking for a side hustle or kayo ay nag-aaral, whatever it is that you're doing, you might want to check out and consider e-commerce virtual assistants. Now, first things first, sagutin muna natin yung question dito ni napakahaba naman ng pangalan mo. Siya yung sheriff ba? Siya? Medyo unique yung schedule ng e-commerce class namin this January. Actually, December pa lang nag-start na siya namin. December is holiday season kasi, so maraming days na off. And tuwing Saturday lang yung class nito. So Saturdays, 4 classes, 4 different mentors ang makikilala ninyo. Now, for January, we will have our team building. We're all going to Cebu. And yung scheduling, medyo kakaiba. So, there might be days when imove namin yung class to either a Friday or a Monday. But magsimula na siya this coming Saturday, January 6. Tapos, tuloy-tuloy na yung classes nun. Makikita nyo naman sa scheduling and tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano i-check kung kailan yung next schedule. We try to do it as much as possible ng weekends. Kung hindi kayanin ng weekends, we will definitely let you know. Meron naman tayong Google Classroom at saka Google Chat Box. Now, for those who are not yet familiar, ano nga ba yung ginagawa ng e-commerce virtual assistant? So, merong iba't ibang parte ang e-commerce business na pwede nating tulungan as freelancer. So number 1 is definitely paghahanap ng products. Dito pumapasok yung Amazon level 2 na training natin. Pagkatapos, pag nandyan na, meron ng mga products, syempre may mga inquiries yung mga customers, or paano mo nga bang i-convert yung mga questions from prospects to actual customers. So, paano mo sila mabebentahan? How are you going to convert sales? Apart from that, of course, you need to know marketing, how to market products or services. At dyan pumapasok yung SMM level 2 natin. Kasi ang target market neto is e-commerce. Paano nga ba mag-create ng post for e-commerce businesses? As a general rule of thumb, syempre, kailangan familiar ka sa ano nga ba yung mindset ng buyers. How are you going to take them from point A to point B just by using social media? And last but definitely not the least, ang daming question, ano yung e-commerce, ano yung mga pwede kong gawin para maging business ko to, how am I supposed to run ads? Siguro if gusto ko ng e-commerce business as like a stand-alone source of income, posible ba yon? Yes. So all of this, ituturo namin. You guys are going to meet 4 mentors, 4 different classes, 4 hours each class, and 999 pesos lang siya. After nung class, you guys will be invited to attend application book session. So this is a live session where I will teach you how to start applying, anong mga kailangang ihanda. Pagkatapos, meron kaming certification process. So magsasubmit kayo ng final activity. Pagkasubmit kayo ng final activity, magsischedule kayo ng one-on-one with me. So may kasama na lahat ng classes namin na one-on-one with me. Although, may mga suggestions yung mga mentors natin na anong pwedeng idagdag para mas nakakamada yung experience ng mentees namin na mas magkaroon kayo ng more experience even before you start applying. So we'll try and polish everything and make sure na aware kayo sa process kasi meron naman kaming Google Classroom and meron din Google Chat Box. So anyway, if you guys want to join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pag hindi yan gumana, copy and paste sa Chrome. Ganon din naman sa Instagram, i-click nyo lang ito. Pag hindi gumana ang TikTok at saka ang Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook ko, hanapin nyo yung post na to. Ilalagay ko sa mismong caption yung link. Ganon din sa YouTube, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. So para mas klaro, pag clinic nyo tong link na to or kinopy and paste nyo siya sa Chrome, dito kayo dadalhin yan sa mismong form. So lahat ng open classes namin nandito lang sa may bandang baba. Open classes, makikita nyo na 99902 e-commerce. I-click nyo lang yun guys, makakarating na kayo dun sa mismong form. And nandun na lahat na kailangan nyo malaman about the class. Again, this class is for those who wants to learn how to service e-commerce businesses as a virtual assistant, or if you have an e-commerce business and you want to learn more ways to convert your leads and prospects to actual paying customers. If meron kayong question about this class or any questions about working from home, comment them here and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!